Hello classmates, how you doing? My name is KWilliams, and today I'm going to be going over my digital tools tutorial and just giving you some information about this amazing tool called Kahoot. So Kahoot is a really great tool. It has a lot of stuff that are already pre-made. It makes it easy to do whatever you want to do in it, but it makes learning fun. So what I just did here was I uploaded my unit overview, and from there it was able to use AI and create the quizzes for me. You could change the way that it looks, the layout makes it very easy. But it came up with about 20 questions based on the information that I fed it. And then right there, I can save it, come back to it later. And, work on it. Oh no. So, you do have the ability to, it is some free options in here, but there are also paid options as well. But once you log in, it provides you with access to the pro version for 10 days. So I thought that was pretty cool. It gives you a lot of options. And it's really pretty easy to navigate. You want to add additional questions in there, you have that ability to do so. But I want to show you some of the other things that Kahoot has. So it already has some things that are already pre-started in here. So let's just take a look around. So they have this cool little team building thing. I thought that was pretty awesome. So we'll just start and see what is it like. So it'll give you sometimes a code and a QR code so you can join it. And it's just waiting for somebody to play. So let's see where we are. And I'm playing from my phone. So let's get started. Okay, pretty easy question, right? That'll be fun. Okay, gives you a little time frame. And it's that easy, guys. It just gives a lot of different questions. Something I like to do in my free time. And there you go. So guys, and guys, I just wanted to show you how easy it is to log in. So we'll sign out, and it already comes pre-authorized with you can utilize your email, and you'll be able to log in, and there you go. And it'll give you some free things. So I really like this app, and I think it'll be pretty good for a teacher who wants to make their lessons interactive and fun. So I really look forward to utilizing this one that we started. The community violence is a community. Violence is a public health emergency. I think it'll be an amazing tool to add on and make that learning fun. You guys have a good day.